Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Akila Aulia Haq with student ID 1924-1552 from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Information System major. Honorable Mr. Selamat Marioso, SPD MM, the instructor of the English course and esteemed colleges. Today, I will present a topic that generates various perspectives and controversies, which is smoking in campus areas. Policies regarding smoking on campus are often not strictly regulated, which can lead to uncertainty among students. However, at UBSE, there is a smoking ban in the campus environment aimed at creating a healthier and more conducive learning atmosphere for students. This is in line with the goal of building a positive community on campus. Although there is a ban, many students often may not be fully aware of the prohibition, so they continue to smoke in areas where it is not allowed. And smoking on campus can have a negative impact not only on the smoker themselves but also on those around them. Exposure to cigarette smoke can disrupt the health of the other students, especially those with respiratory issues or allergies. However, some students may feel that the existing smoking regulations seem unfair because there are no designated smoking areas. This forces them to smoke in public area, which can disturb other students. But perhaps in some faculties, smoking is considered normal if done in certain areas, despite the ban. This shows that despite the policies, smoking behavior is still often seen among students. In my opinion, what the campus authorities need to do is to enhance the socialization of smoking regulation so that all members of the student body understand and comply with these rules. Then, providing an designated smoking area can help reduce violations of the smoking ban and offer a solution for smokers. That's all the topic I have presented and the opinion I have shared. I apologize if there are any mistakes in my words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Akila Aulia Haq with student ID 1924-1552, majoring in Information System at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Honorable Mr. Selamat Marioso, SPD MM, as the English course lecturer and esteemed colleges, here I will present a topic about the simple present tense. So, what is meant by simple present tense? What is the present tense? Simple present tense is a tense from used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are commonly done in the present. What does present mean? Present in the simple present tense means present times, then simple means straightforward, and tense is the forms of the verb according to the period of time used. And when is the present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening at the moment. In addition, the simple present tense is also used in the pattern of conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1, followed by the simple future tense. If we look at the name, the formula for this tense isn't too complicated. The reason is we often use this tense in our daily lives. Before diving deeper, it's better if we recall the structure of a sentence. So we can say a sentence consists of the following three elements: subject, predicate, and complement, but only two are mandatory. Guys, which are the subject and the predicate? Well, if you remember, let's continue to the explanation of the formula and its examples. Also, read 5 types of conditional sentence in English and example sentence. Simple present tense formula. Have you read the article about types of sentence? If you have, of course, you understand that a sentence can be in verbal or nominal form. So, the term predicate is not always a verb in a verbal sentence. After the subject, it will be followed by a verb. Meanwhile, in a nominal sentence, after the subject, it will be accompanied by a non-verb that we commonly know as an auxiliary verb or to be. What is the formula for the simple present tense? In general, the formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 s plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Verbal simple present tense. The formula of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is subject plus verb 1 s plus complement. Subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement, and do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. According to the previous discussion, in a verbal sentence, you do not need to add to be after the subject because the one that takes on the predicate role is the verb. The good thing is the verb in this sentence is in its basic form, meaning it has undergone any change. So if you make a sentence with a third person pronoun subject, he, she, it singular subject, there are several verbs that need to have as added to the end. I, you, they, we plural subject predicate verb 1, and he, she, it singular subject predicate verb 1 s. Nominal simple present tense. How to make a simple present tense? Here is the formula for the simple present tense that you can use. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question to be plus subject plus complement. Example of the simple present tense with a nominal sentence pattern. Positive, I am an international school student. Negative, she is not an international school student. And question, is she an international school student? Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Just like nominal sentence, verbal sentence also have a positive. Example of a simple present tense: I live in Jakarta. He does not live in Jakarta. And negative simple present tense. Well, specifically for the negative and interrogative sentence, use do or does or do not, don't, and does not, doesn't. Example, I don't live in Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. And simple present question or interrogative. In the pattern of interrogative sentence, they are divided into 2 parts, namely, yes or no question. Do I work? Does he work? According to its type name, which is yes or no question, you only need to answer the question above it. Yes, I do, or yes, he does. What are some examples of the simple present tense? Positive sentence. She wants to be a doctor. Cows eat grass. They speak English at the office. He likes bananas. They play basketball every morning. A negative sentence is, they don't have any money. Bala doesn't see pattern in the class. My best friend doesn't love you. You don't listen to me. California is not in United Kingdom. An interrogative sentence or question is, do they talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does she lunch? And does he ride the motorcycle? And next section is time words or adverb. Time words or adverb of time in simple present tense. The time words that we will discuss have another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. However, the sentences that use the time word below are definitely in the simple present tense. Time verbs, adverb times, is usually, habitually, normally, generally, always, seldom, rarely, often, sometimes, never, hardly never, every week, every day, every month, 4 times a day, 4 times a week, once a month. And what are the characteristics of simple present tense? After summarizing the previous explanation, here are some characteristics of the present tense. First one, using verb in their best form, infinitive or non-irregular verbs. Example, I play soccer every weekend. Number 2, you use the auxiliary verb do or does for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. Example, she doesn't eat meat. Does not auxiliary verb in the negative form for the subject she. Or do you like chocolate? Do auxiliary verb for question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. And function in use of the simple present tense. Number 1, general truth or generalization or facts. In the world, we can escape from what is called absolute truth or general truth. Well, generalization means a truth that cannot be disputed. So, the simple present tense is a sentence form used to state concrete things. An example sentence is, the earth revolves around the sun. Number 2, habitual or daily activities, aka repeated action. If you hear the word habit, you can definitely guess its meaning easily. Yes, the simple present tense also functions to indicate habits or daily activities. In other words, activities or schedule that you do repeatedly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. Number 3, express feeling and emotion. Are you feeling sad? Or maybe you're thinking about something? Don't hesitate. You can express it through simple present tense sentence. Example sentence, feeling, I am sad to hear your bad news. Or emotion, I always thankful because I have a great best friend. I am always grateful because I have a good best friends. Number 4. Reschedule event in the near future or familiar with future condition. What is meant by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or events scheduled in the near future. Additionally, this tense is commonly used to discuss transportation schedule. For example, the train will depart at 8 a.m. Number 5. Command or instruction. Have you ever watched a cooking tutorial? Don't go too far. You must often read instruction or commands on your smartphone, right? For example, in the following sentence, draw a pattern or use a fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. If you already understand the function of the simple present tense, it's time for us to deep dive into the next session. Songs that contain simple present tense. You can learn example of the use of this tense form through English song lyrics. By the way, which Western song use the simple present tense? For example, the lyrics of the Western song that contain the simple present tense are You Are My Sunshine by Christina Perri. If you enjoy watching commercials on TV, you're probably already familiar with the lyric like this. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. And well, from the lyrics above, which one do you think use verbs in the present tense? Here is the information. You are my sunshine. Using the nominal sentence pattern, you is the subject, then are is the to be or auxiliary verb, and my sunshine is the object. Besides those lyrics, there are also some that follow the verbal sentence patterns, such as you make me happy. Why make, not makes? Because you is a singular subject form, so the verb to return to its base form is not added with s at the end. Alright everyone, we have just learned about the simple present tense. I hope the knowledge we have just acquired will be useful for all of you. I apologize if there were any mistakes in my words. I'm Akila Aulia Haq signing off. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.